Hello everyone, welcome to my channel NetSec. As you know, we can use those AI websites to search or help our work for free, no matter it's ChatGPT, Copilot, or some other tools like Perplexity. You can use them for free, but when you are trying to use some advanced features, then you have to pay. They will ask you $15, $20 per month, which gonna cost you $200, $300 a year. But now with some promotion coming from Perplexity or coming from OpenAI ChatGPT, they gave you 1 year free to use their product as a promotion. There are some tricks for you to get them. They also have some prerequisite. So this video gonna show you step by step to guide you to get those free 1 year subscription to use ChatGPT Go and Perplexity Pro. So now let's jump into it. To get this 1 year free Perplexity Pro, it's very simple. Search Perplexity in the PayPal. You should be able to get this link, PayPal subscription link. Here it says exclusive for PayPal users. Basically, you need to have a PayPal account, which I believe most people already have it. So just claim this free Perplexity Pro subscription. Continue with your Google or Apple account. So I'm gonna jump in with my email account. Once you logged in, it's gonna ask you to connect to your PayPal account because it's a PayPal's promotion. Because this is PayPal's promotion for their users. They bundled with Perplexity together to providing this free 1 year subscription. So log in with your PayPal account. Next. So you should be able to get the code. Of course, two-factor authentication. Then it's gonna be for you to agree and pay. So here it says you need to get 12 months for free Pro. Just accept the offer like I did here. Then eventually you're gonna be redirected to your Perplexity.ai, this website. Here is after you redirect back into here, then you should be able to see you already got the Perplexity Pro. To verify that, you can look at your plans. Here is my current plan. I already have Personal Pro, which is $20 per month, but currently we are free for use it. Let's go back to account. Let's look at our settings. And here you can manage your subscription. You can look at it. Perplexity Pro 12 months. I already got it on September, so which is trial gonna end it on 2026 September. So that's basically how you can get this Perplexity Pro for free. So now next one, we're gonna get ChatGPT Go for free. We talked about how to get Perplexity Pro free for 1 year. So now we're gonna talk about the ChatGPT Go. ChatGPT Go has a promotion right now. If you search ChatGPT Go, you should be able to find this ChatGPT Go promotion. What is ChatGPT Go? Which is a new low-cost subscription plan, but you can have expanded access to ChatGPT's most popular features at an affordable price. You can click on this to get more, but what I'm trying to say is you need to go to this link, ChatGPT Go promotion in India. So let's open this one. So you will find it OpenAI is making ChatGPT Go available at no cost for 12 months for eligible users in India who sign up during a limited time promotion period starting November 4, 2025. We can get this through ChatGPT Web or Google Play Store, and it will be available within next week for the Apple App Store as well. So new users upgrading from free, there's lots of terms. For me, I'm in Canada. If you look at my plan, I'm on a free plan. If I need to get Plus, there's no Go option for me. If I need to upgrade, I need to get Plus, which you pay $20 again per month, similar as Perplexity Pro price. Now we need to switch our public IP to India's public IP. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use a tool called Urban VPN. Search for it, Urban VPN, and you should be able to get the free browser extensions for Chrome. I'm using Chrome. Add to Chrome. They will ask you permission to show you notification. We don't need that. Click your extension to make it available. So you will see this icon here. So right now, that's my IP 76.71.67.118. If you want to switch to India, you're gonna come in from this button, click on it, Urban VPN. Of course, they will ask your permission to do that. So right now, they automatically choose United States. For all those countries, we're gonna choose India. It's connected. I got the India's IP. You can refresh this page. It's a little bit slow, but that's fine. We don't need it for a long time. Right now my IP switched. So let's look a bit to ChatGPT. I refresh my ChatGPT page. You can see right now I got this Go free for 12 months. It's like magic. Because the IP changed. Try Go, of course. Upgrade to Go. Getting your plan ready. The beauty of these things is once you've done your subscription upgrade, you can switch back to your normal IP, public IP to use. You don't have to keep staying in India. Here are some cost calculation, eventually 0. It does ask you to using the card, which you can put it in. Clicks, you will be charged the amount at the frequency listed above until you cancel. Let's subscribe it for now. In the future, just before your renewal, and just cancel it. Subscribe. It is processing. I'm human. Next. So now let's get back to this screen again. This is Try Go Free for 12 months screen. We are still on our Urban VPN connecting to India. Now we got this IP. So that's why we can have this special offer. So don't go away from this page. Scroll down. You can see here there's a country says India. You may not able to see it if you didn't scroll down. Now we need to change it to some other countries, which is France. Because only France allows us to use other pay methods. Since our credit card doesn't work, I try to use my credit card, all kinds of credit card, doesn't work. So now I have to try to tell I'm coming from France. Please let me pay for this upgrade. Let me set up my payment method for this upgrade. These changes will allow us to use PayPal. we do have a good standing PayPal account, which we already used for our Perplexity Pro. We got that. Now we're trying to use same PayPal account to get this ChatGPT. As you can see now, we got PayPal here. So, perfect. Now you need to tell then your billing address. I'm coming from Canada, same. I don't want to lie about it. So I'm gonna put my name and all my information in here. Make sure you click on it. You will be charged the amount and at the frequency listed above until you cancel. We can use it for 12 months free, and then we can cancel it before they're gonna charge you. Remember that. You need to cancel it before they're gonna charge you at the end of the 12 months. So confirm we are human. Agree and continue. I do have valid account and payment method for the PayPal, so everything should work as expected. So right now we are getting Stripe checkout page here. So we later on, in probably 1 or 2 minutes, we're gonna be redirect back to ChatGPT. Right now it's success. As we can see from here, we get you are now subscribed to ChatGPT Go. We're gonna try one more thing. We're gonna get rid of this urban VPN. I'm gonna still keep using my current public IP in Canada. Then I'm gonna refresh this. I wanna see, and I have ChatGPT 5. Look at my settings. Thanks for subscribing ChatGPT Go. Your Go plan includes expanded access to GPT-5, all those benefits we were talking about in our previous screen. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel if you haven't. See you in my next one.